Need to generate some random text for your Word 2019 document? Look no further. Let me show you. Go down to an empty space in your document and click on it so you get a cursor. Now type this, $LOREM, open parenthesis, and now type a number to represent how many paragraphs of random text you want. We're just going to say 1. Then type a comma, and now type in a number that represents how many sentences you want. Type 5, and then close parenthesis. Now click return. You'll see that you got 1 paragraph and 5 sentences of random text. That's pretty cool, but it's pretty hard to read, so let's make some text in English. Type $RAND, open parenthesis. This time we'll do 3 paragraphs, comma, and 8 sentences, close parenthesis. Click return. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, could you please give it a like or a thumbs up? It'd really help me out. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and hope to see you sometime soon on another tutorial.